Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, 早安。
Today, Auntie May is going to show everyone how to make chicken shepherd pie with spinach and potato.
小朋友早安，安弟妹今天介绍你们的材料给你们看。OK， 毛油、黑酱油、料青、油、盐、蒜头、姜、大葱、鸡蛋、鸡肉、草菇、胡萝卜、马铃薯、菜心。
These are some of the ingredients that we will be using later on to make our chicken shepherd's pie. This is the ingredients list for your reference. Next, for the preparation, add in some cooking oil and sesame oil onto a pan on medium heat. Add in the ginger slices and stir fry until fragrant. Add in the minced garlic. Add in the minced chicken breast and stir fry and mix evenly. Add in the dark soy sauce and mix evenly. Next, you may add in the oyster sauce and light soy sauce and mix well. Add in the salt and continue to mix well. Add in the water and mushrooms and let the mixture simmer for a while. Once cooked, transfer the mixture onto a prepared baking tray and set aside. These are the ingredients that are needed for the vegetable layer. In a clean pan, add in the oil and half of the chopped garlic and onion. Stir fry until fragrant. Add in the remaining onion and garlic and continue to stir fry. Next, add in the shredded carrots, followed by the leafy vegetables. You may use any type of green leafy vegetables. Add in the salt and mix well. You may add in some water if you feel that the mixture is too dry. Continue to stir fry until the vegetables have softened. Once they are done, you may transfer them over to the prepared tray. Ensure that you pack the vegetable layer firmly and evenly on top of the chicken layer. Next, in a large bowl, mash the boiled potatoes. Scoop the mashed potatoes onto the prepared tray and spread evenly. Beat the eggs and pour it onto the mashed potato layer and spread evenly. Now we are ready to put it into the preheated oven at 180 degrees. You may bake it for 12 to 15 minutes until the top is brown. And we are done! You may cut the pie into slices and serve it with rice. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you enjoy making this recipe at home. Please like our video and subscribe to our MFS channel for more videos. Bye!